Good morning. It is 9:02. Been up for about 2 hours. I was doing this thing for a while where I woke up at 6 a.m. every day, and I loved it. No, haven't been waking up at 6 a.m., but I am working towards getting back to that. So last night I set my alarm for 7 because I'm slowly working my way up back to 6, but in the middle of the night, I heard the loudest bang, just boom, just so loud. When I was like half asleep trying to categorize that sound and figure out if I need to be freaked out or not, the only thing I could think of was that it was somebody forcing their way into our apartment, like breaking the door. I was scared. I was straight up, I was scared. So I'm like standing here and I'm like, okay, here we go. And I like walked out. Nobody here, nobody there, nobody there. Walked back over here, and then my roommate walked out of her room because it was so loud it woke her up too. And then she looks in the bathroom. It was her little caddy, which is normally suction cupped right here. I was scared by a sponge and a comb. I already was missing an hour of sleep, and that just sent my adrenaline through the roof. So I lost like 3 hours of sleep last night. So I'm exhausted, but I still woke up at 7. I got my first daily is done. I'm gonna upload it as soon as I'm done shooting this, and I don't have to edit shit today. Gotta run. I've been putting off running in favor of editing that Trekkie Tracks video. No more. Today we get back on it. First daily video is getting uploaded. I promise I'm not going to put every time I upload a daily video in my daily video. It's just the first one. Whatever. This is exciting for me. Run is done.
Bold. All right. And I'm just kind of trying to get a view of this. If you just hold Alt and then you use your scroll wheel, you can just zoom up.
Currently
and hitting your space bar.
Watching, shut up. Currently watching a how to make business cards in Adobe Illustrator video because I was looking at some templates for business cards and I don't like them. I don't like any of them. So I'm making business cards, and then I'm going to get them printed, and I'm going to start walking around and giving them to random people. Because that's what you do when you get a card. You get business cards, you just give them out. Get rid of those cards. For the last 40 minutes. Non-stop. Non-stop.